fela lefuli hana gele kalla batho ba shoba fela ba hlokahala ha o sa thukgatsa fulengala so tlohlo di tutema di a rote politiki sinzena re phela mnyamatsana sa pafolo tsetla Nthoe Tjena ya kala we bona ya letsaba lefula corona bana ba dikolo re sa ba bona bokamoso ba bona na ba tla bo bona siki yena kwetsi mesebetsi tlala phile matla thusa ramasedi ha solo soto what's ke tlokotsi re sokola le metsi a hlapa matswa muso gona kelo hloko le setšhaba ba re buisa ka bogopo ho lo ke diketseletso tsa babelelo beswa ditsimba sa thodi tshebeletso na ke tlekefetso le hale jolo Basotho ha ne re tlhokomele ha ga dikerekeng sita le mabenkele re kwahele re sanitize matswa tšhaba sa lepoko ha re lwane mmoho maybe re ka thola goro ha re ka kopanya maboko.
Look at the way the government got us drowning, we never had a choice. They claim the youth is young to even have a voice, but they get surprised when we offer crown to fill the void. While the changing leaders like two sides of the same coin. Yeah, come election day, the change will never happen, cause we electing different heads of the same dragon. The pain of watching the government slowly killing our passion. Yeah, and they wonder why we're stuck in depression. The way youth is dying from losing hope, man, is way wrong. You swear to protect us, so who should we put all this blame on? They let me out with do this and that. They sing the same song, they winning, they forget you're the reason they got a day job. No matter what, we will thrive through the weather, cause this passion that we have it now is God-given. Black child, you should know that you matter.
It's for the people.
Don't ever let them tell you different.
We've been going through the worst, struggling just to make a living. Been thinking about the future and I fear for all our children, cause we starve while corruption continues to pocket millions. And those who lost jobs have resorted to pocket picking. Every day another victim. This life is getting harder. The last year we're transitioning seems we have a lot of talkers, cause action's what is missing. It's like nobody is bothered. But how do you expect the seed to grow when it's not watered? It's on us to take a stand in order to see a difference. All we need to do is be consistent, pay attention to restrictions. This is deeper than the mask, all it takes is just a touch. So you gotta wash your hands. We're not the only country that has lost a lot of fam, so taking care of yours should be the biggest task. And together we can conquer any obstacle at hand. Said together we can conquer any obstacle at hand.
Living in poverty, dreams of better days, a broken democracy, so many viruses, COVID-19 taking too many lives, choosing who it's minusing, airborne, new age grim reaper, it kills without question, Jason born, like the days of crusades and the ancient storm, the days of the plague and the sacred war. It ain't safe outside, please stay indoors, get a PlayStation, you could play with boards, philosophical, let's make a statement, I'm a magician, make 20 million disappear like Lesotho's government, make it reappear in another bank account, stealing for the sake of it, new leaders, you better bring new change, sick and tired of a different suit, same game, tryna cop the same bag of change.
Nthoe Tjena ya kala we bona ya letsaba lefula corona bana ba dikolo re sa ba bona bokamoso ba bona na ba tla bo bona.
Lefatshe le lero le fefo ke santwa COVID-19 ya hlafatsa dibata bana ba jang ba ntho re dula ka matlong ya ba ka mo ferefere di price tsa ferekana mo aisana shwa ke tlala ntse re shebile ho ba he nowadays everybody we chebile saka ke saka nkauza ya ka ke yaka ka bloma ka phola ka hopla mo ke tswang teng go dumo ra ifenetha mo re hlante madiangwana le boqona ke mo ke antse ba re ke ntshapedi ya ke hlolwe ke sebata di rao senka matjeke phukaletso bata ba chaba heso tsohampo molwe fedile. We got a mind that poverty can't kill, got the spirit that nobody could kill. Hey, sanitize and protect yourself.
Basotho ba moshasho ha re mameleng sky ke tsa Thomas mamela ke letso sehlo sa bona metswele ke na masihlwane polokego ya setšhaba ya mazonga hao o hlape matsoho kgafetsa gola maske godimo di mahlwana na ke tsana a go bele mmuso kwana botebo mapelo phelo bona ke ba hao re ithepetletsa Java sa desile ya magaza ibona leswaso empa Java se ya tsamaya re hlomphe mbo megala peng ho bona ke bona motlhodi ya bophelo re bengadana re bela metlenya bofelo tlatla matshole re thuse bele re ntja diteto ha re ka robala bona re ya se ka ma re tshwareneng ka matso e se ra hlonama
Gruesome conditions of living, but we done made it out. At a young age, I learned to be man of the house. A red nose didn't make a hood nigga with clown. It came from the cat sniffing the Hamatala provides. Started jotting as a means of running from the reality to rob me of my peace and then feed me nothing. Rocking only the flies, the clothes, cause coming up we ain't had them in circumstance, I suppose. Idolizing criminals and women with enhanced features. What can schools teach us? We saw the first lady get away with murder, but I know a sister who's in jail for abortion. They impaled her, and that's sad.
So it starts when the government ignores the people's plea, shuts the door, then resorts to force all of us to just stay indoors while they all go out to get a full meal course. I'm talking about millions, that's how it goes. Politics ruin everything, there's nothing close. With the rules and regulations that's now imposed, make it hard to use your brain when your mind is closed. Look, it's hard to get a job without connections. Gotta know who and who just to make an entrance. Got you thinking by the time you had your graduations, when you thought your certificate would make a difference. Can't practice math, you gotta practice patience. When things don't add, you gotta go to basics. When you have no cash, you gotta go to Vegas. When your skin's all black, you gotta face the matrix.
Mahlomula lefatshe yalla lefuli hana gele kalla batho ba shwa ba fela ba hlokahala ha o sa thukgatsa fulengala so thlogo di tutema di ya rote politiki sintsena re phela mnyamatsana sa pa folo tsetla Nthoe Tjena ke kala we bona ya letsaba lefula corona bana ba dikola re sa ba bona bokamoso ba bona na ba tla bo